Did you think Voice Memos was just for jotting down quick recordings? Well, it's actually packed with way more features than you might expect. From top-notch audio editing to seamless sharing options, Voice Memos is an essential tool for capturing and managing audio on the fly. Let's dive into all the cool things you can do with Voice Memos on your iPhone. High-quality audio recording. If you're aiming for professional-grade recordings, Voice Memos lets you record in lossless quality. Here's how to get it all set up. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll down until you find Apps. Tap on Apps and scroll down further. Now, select Voice Memos. Tap on Audio Quality. Finally, choose Lossless for that high-quality audio recording. Trim and edit recordings. Want to get rid of background noise or any parts you don't need? With Voice Memos, you can easily edit and trim your recordings. Open Voice Memos. Then tap on the recording you want to. Tap the three-dot icon in the corner. Now, select Edit Recording. Tap the Trim tool icon in the upper right corner. After that, drag the bar to highlight the section you want to remove. Then, tap on Trim. Next, tap on Apply. Finally, tap on Done and select Save Recording. Enhance recordings for clarity. The Enhanced Recording feature can help you boost your voice and minimize background noise. Here is how. Open Voice Memos. Then, tap on the recording you want to enhance. Tap the three-dot icon. Now, select Edit Recording. Tap the Settings icon in the upper left corner of your screen. Toggle on Enhanced Recording. After that, tap on Done. Finally, select Save Recording. Organize your memos with folders. Keep everything tidy by creating folders for your recordings. Open Voice Memos. Then, tap on the recording you want to move. Tap the three-dot icon. Choose Move to Folder. Tap the folder with the plus icon in the lower right corner of the screen. Now, give your folder a name like Work or Homework. After that, tap on Save. Next, tap on the folder you just created, and your recording will be moved there. Share recordings across platforms. Need to share a recording with a friend or colleague? Voice Memos makes sharing a breeze. Open Voice Memos. Tap on Edit in the upper right corner of the screen. Next, select the recordings you would like to share. Tap the Share icon in the bottom left. Choose from options like Messages, Email, or Files. By checking out these features, you'll see just how versatile the Voice Memos app can be. From quick notes to high-quality audio projects, it's more powerful than you think. If this guide helped you uncover some new features, make sure to subscribe for more tips and stay tuned for the next video. Happy recording!